Hello friends, in this video I am going to cover 7 deadly email marketing mistakes you need to avoid. Keep in mind that these are simple mistakes that can be happen, but those will have deadly effects to your entire email marketing campaign. Here are some details about the 7 deadly email marketing mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number 1. Poor list management. Failing to manage your email list can lead to high bounce rates, spam complaints, and unsubscribes. Make sure to regularly clean and segment your email list to ensure that you're only sending messages to engaged and interested subscribers. One example of poor list management is sending emails to subscribers who have not opted in to receive them. This can lead to high spam complaints and unsubscribes, as well as damage to your sender reputation. To avoid this mistake, make sure that you're only sending emails to subscribers who have explicitly opted in to receive them. You can also use segmentation to send more targeted messages to specific groups within your list. For example, one company sent an email to a list of subscribers who had not opted in, resulting in a high number of spam complaints and unsubscribes. Mistake number 2. Ignoring mobile optimization. With more than half of all email opens occurring on mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your emails for mobile. Use responsive design and keep your messages short and to the point. An example of ignoring mobile optimization is sending emails that are not mobile-friendly, with small fonts and images that are too large to load quickly on a mobile device. To avoid this mistake, use responsive design in your emails to ensure that they display correctly on all devices. You can also keep your messages short and to the point, with clear calls to action that are easy to tap on a mobile screen. For example, a company sent an email with a large image that took a long time to load on mobile devices, resulting in low engagement and high unsubscribe rates. Mistake number 3. Overlooking personalization. Personalized emails can improve open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use segmentation and dynamic content to personalize your messages and make them more relevant to your subscribers. An example of overlooking personalization is sending generic, one-size-fits-all emails to your entire list. To avoid this mistake, use segmentation and dynamic content to personalize your emails based on factors like subscriber interests, demographics, and behavior. For example, you could send different messages to subscribers who have recently made a purchase, compared to those who have only browsed your website. An example: a retailer sent the same email to all of its subscribers, regardless of their past purchases or interests, resulting in low click-through rates and minimal conversions. Mistake number 4. Failing to test and optimize. Testing is key to improving the performance of your email campaigns. Use A/B testing to try different subject lines, send times, and content variations, and use the results to optimize your campaigns over time. An example of failing to test and optimize is sending the same email to your entire list without making any changes or improvements. To avoid this mistake, use A/B testing to test different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, send times, and content variations. Use the results to optimize your campaigns over time and improve your overall performance. For example, a software company sent the same email to all of its subscribers without testing different subject lines or call to action buttons, resulting in low engagement and few conversions. Mistake number 5. Sending too many or too few emails. Finding the right email frequency is essential to maintaining engagement with your subscribers. Avoid bombarding your subscribers with too many emails, but also make sure not to go long stretches without sending anything. An example of sending too many emails is bombarding your subscribers with daily or multiple emails in a single day. This can lead to unsubscribes and a decrease in engagement. To avoid this mistake, find the right email frequency for your audience by testing different cadences and monitoring engagement metrics. You can also use automation to send more targeted messages to specific segments of your list. Example, an e-commerce store sent daily emails to its subscribers, resulting in a high number of unsubscribes and low engagement. Another company only sent emails once a quarter, resulting in low brand awareness and few sales. Mistake number 6. Ignoring email design and branding. Your email design and branding should be consistent with your website and other marketing materials. Use a professional design and include clear calls to action to encourage clicks. An example of ignoring email design and branding is sending emails that are poorly designed, with unclear calls to action and inconsistent branding compared to your website or other marketing materials. To avoid this mistake, use a professional design that's consistent with your brand and website, and make sure to include clear calls to action that encourage clicks and conversions. For example, a non-profit organization sent an email with a poorly designed layout and unclear calls to action, resulting in low engagement and minimal donations. Mistake number 7. Neglecting to track and measure results. Measuring the success of your email campaigns is crucial to understanding what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools to track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, and use the data to optimize your campaigns over time. An example of neglecting to track and measure results is not using analytics tools to track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. To avoid this mistake, use analytics tools to monitor the performance of your campaigns over time, and use the data to make informed decisions about how to optimize your emails for better results. Example, a tech company sent emails without using any analytics tools to track open rates, click-through rates, or conversions, resulting in a lack of understanding of the success of their email campaigns. By avoiding these deadly email marketing mistakes, you can improve the effectiveness of your email campaigns and drive more engagement and conversions for your business. Okay, now I am going to tell you about deadly effects of the neglecting or mistakenly sending emails. Neglecting or mistakenly sending emails can have several negative effects on your email marketing campaign, including decreased engagement. If you send irrelevant or poorly designed emails, your subscribers are likely to disengage from your brand and may even unsubscribe. Increased spam complaints. If you send emails to subscribers who have not opted in or send too many emails, you may receive an increased number of spam complaints, which can damage your sender reputation and result in your emails being sent to spam folders. Lowered deliverability rates. Neglecting to maintain your email list can result in a higher number of invalid email addresses or inactive subscribers, which can lower your email deliverability rates. Reduced ROI. If you fail to target your emails properly or neglect to track and measure results, you may not see a positive return on investment, ROI, for your email marketing campaign. Damaged brand reputation. Sending emails with incorrect information, broken links, or poor design can damage your brand reputation and result in a loss of trust from your subscribers. Overall, neglecting or mistakenly sending emails can have serious negative effects on your email marketing campaign and should be avoided as much as possible. Okay, we have come to the end of the video, and if you have gained some knowledge from this video, don't go back without giving me positive feedback, and it will be a motivation for me. Please make sure to subscribe the channel so that you won't miss other videos of the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.